Hi, my name is David. I'm the Riding Academy Manager for Orlando Harley-Davidson and East Orlando Harley-Davidson. We know that when you're thinking about learning to ride, you're concerned about the motorcycle that you might learn on. So today I would like to introduce you to our Harley-Davidson Street 500 model motorcycle. These are the motorcycles that we use to help you learn so that you can be the best rider you can be. Some features of our Street 500 that are notable, of course, we add an optional vehicle protection kit. It includes the black bars that you see attached to the bike. These bars protect the motorcycle if it were to be dropped during the class, and that helps you ride with confidence. If the bike gets tipped over, it's not going to get damaged, so you have no worries. We also have these motorcycles because we can custom fit them to each rider in the class. With 3 various seat heights, we can change the seat configuration in just a matter of minutes. Also, on top of changing the seat, we adjust the handlebars to make sure that each rider has the proper position from seat to handlebar to foot peg. We also adjust the brake lever, the clutch lever, the shift lever, and the brake pedal to make sure that each student is comfortable on the motorcycle. When you attend a riding academy with us at East Orlando Harley-Davidson, you're going to get a bike that's custom fitted to you and no one else. And that will be the bike that you ride throughout the entirety of your class. So come and see us with no fears, because we're ready to help you reach your goals. Check us out at orlandoharley.com. Give us a call at 407-423-0346 or shoot us an email and we'll be happy to answer any of your questions.